Let's get into some news. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's dig in. This is about Mariah Carey. A federal judge in Los Angeles has ruled that Mariah Carey did not steal her perennial mega hit, All I Want for Christmas Is You, from other songwriters. Judge Monica Ramirez Alamadani granted Carey's request for summary judgment on Wednesday, giving her and co-writer and co-defendant Walter Afanasieff a victory without going to trial. In 2023, songwriters Andy Stone of Louisiana, who goes by his stage name Vince Vance, and Troy Powers of Tennessee, filed the $20 million lawsuit alleging that Carey's 1994 song, which has since become a holiday standard and annual streaming sensation, infringed the copyright of their country 1989 song with the same title. It's interesting. I want to chime in. It's interesting. I never really thought of All I Want for Christmas Is You as a country song for whatever reason. I always felt like it was more of like a Phil Spector, the Ronettes type thing going on, like a 60s type vibe. Okay. The lawyer Gerald P. Fox said he's disappointed in the email to the Associated Press. Fox said it is his experience that judges at this level nearly always now dismiss a music copyright case, in that one must appeal to reverse and get the case to the jury. My client will make a decision shortly on whether to appeal. We filed based on opinions of two esteemed musicologists who teach at great colleges. Stone and Powers suit said their All I Want for Christmas Is You contains a unique linguistic structure. I hope I'm saying that word right. Signature where a person disillusioned with expensive gifts and seasonal comforts wants to be with their loved one and accordingly writes a letter to Santa Claus. They said there was an overwhelming likelihood Carey and Afanasieff had heard their song, which at one point reached number 31 on Billboard's Hot Country chart, and infringed their copyright by taking significant elements from it. Stone claimed that the song received extensive airplay during the 1993 Christmas season. Now, I want to pause right there because that doesn't make any sense. If a song came out in 1989, why would it all of a sudden generate crazy airplay in 1993? Like, shouldn't it have been getting extensive airplay from 89 onwards? It just became, just out of the blue, just became popular in 1993? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, moving along with this. After hearing from two experts from each side, Ramirez Alamadani agreed, but those from the defense who said the writers employed common Christmas cliches that existed prior to both songs, and that Carey's song used them differently. She said the plaintiffs had not met the burden of showing that the songs are substantially similar. Ramirez Alamadani also ordered sanctions against the plaintiffs and their lawyers, saying their suit and subsequent followings were frivolous, and that the plaintiff attorneys made no reasonable effort to ensure that the factual contentions asserted have evidentiary support. She said they must pay at least part of the defendant's attorney fees. Mm, stuck them good. Defense attorneys and publicists for Carey did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Carey's Christmas Colossus has become an even bigger hit in recent years than it was in the 1990s. It has reached it number one on Billboard's Hot 100 chart the past 6 years in a row, measuring the most popular songs each week, not just holiday theme, by airplay, sales, streaming. The song has broken streaming records and has been played over 2 billion times on Spotify. Carey and FSCF have had their own public disagreement, though not one that's gone to court over who wrote how much of a song, but the case has made them at least temporary allies. Carey previously made headlines when she tried to exclusively trademark the nickname Queen of Christmas. She filed a petition for the trademark in 2021. The U.S. Trademark Trial Appeal Board rejected the petition, as well as petitions to exclusively trademark Prince's Christmas in QOC. Last month, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame announced Carey as one of its 2025 nominees. Yeah, you know what? It's kind of crazy because I do remember her and the co-writer had public, had like a little public thing going on. I think the co-writer was complaining about Mariah Carey getting all of the fanfare and the recognition for the songwriting, and he said something to the effect like, it wasn't just her, I had to, it was me too, I had to put in work as well. And so I guess he kind of like had a little issue with not being recognized enough. This is an interesting topic because a lot of this stuff does go on, but in this case, I don't believe it. Just the story, it's not adding up. And why would you sue? 30 years later? I just don't get it. Like 32 years later or something like that. Like why would you sue? Let me look back at this. When did they sue? Okay, in 2023. Yeah, so this 2023, I just don't get they waited all that time to file a lawsuit. They could have easily filed the lawsuit when they claimed, like, I just don't get it. Like, her song is so popular, they wait until 2023 to say, hey, my song is, is copyright infringement. My song, Mariah Carey's song, copyrights my song. Like, why would they wait that long? Andy Stone. Let's look up this guy. Vince Vance. And Troy Power. Troy Powers. Let's look up this guy. I just find it very odd. Like, why would these people wait that long just to prove a point? Like, if something happened, you would want that to be the you would really want to get on that. You wouldn't want to wait all these years. Oh, it's this guy. Okay. This, like, he reminds me of the Penguin from Batman, like when what's his name? Oh gosh, I'm trying to remember the guy's name. Danny DeVito. He reminds me of Danny DeVito when Danny DeVito was playing as the Penguin. Wow. What type of hairstyles? This is crazy. This is nasty work right here. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm not gonna jump on that man for that, but somebody gotta say it, right? Well, okay. I'm gonna leave it right there. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe. Happy Aries season. It's Aries season. It's about to be Mariah Carey's birthday. All right, shout out to all my Aries. I'm out.